Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm doing a really pretty sleek ponytail, but in order to achieve that really sleek look, I had to wash my hair and blow dry it because, you know, obviously I can't do this with curly hair. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It's blow dried, but to make it look like it's really sleek and like my hair is really straightened, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair just in the front, not all my hair. I'm just going to throw the rest in a ponytail, and I'm going to actually take my flat irons. Yes, I know, but these are the flat irons by Baby Bliss. You know, I always use these flat irons whenever I do, which I rarely do. I hate putting heat in my hair, you guys, but for this look, I had to have that sleekness in the front. I know, don't kill me. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly straighten. And when I say lightly, I mean like literally I didn't put that much heat at all in the front of my hair. As you can see, it didn't even get like super straight. Lightly straighten all of that and start my baby hairs. So for this look, I'm going to actually use this Got2b glue instead of regular edge control because I want it to be super sleek, like the perfect ponytail. And I noticed when you do your baby hairs with a gel and a comb, not instead of like a soft bristle brush, if you use a comb instead with like the little teeth on it, it creates like, I don't know, the baby hairs just look more like, it looks better. I can't even explain it when you use a comb with teeth, like little teeth in it. It just works so much better because you can see, I just can't explain it, you guys. It just looks so much better when you use a comb rather than a brush to lay down your baby hairs. Even a toothbrush, a comb like this works so much better. Well, at least for me, it just looks better and more natural. So as you can see, I slayed my baby hair. So I'm going to take a little bit or a lot of bit of that Got2b glue and go ahead and slick my hair into my desired ponytail position. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this Pump It Up spritz. And this is just going to mold all my flyaways down so it's the sleekest ponytail. Like, guys, I want this to look like freshly straightened, thrown up in a ponytail, the perfect ponytail, you know. So I'm just going ahead and flatten that down with some more Got2b glue, and I'm going to take a little bit more spritz and keep, you know, applying that to my hair. And I'm going to brush that out and try to get all those knots and tangles out of my hair because the middle of my head is definitely thicker than the rest of my hair. So I'm going to keep brushing to like lay all those hairs down and just to get it super sleek, you know. I'm super tired, you guys. This thing took me forever. Like, I'm a perfectionist anyway, so when I think I'm done, I'm not even done because it's just never right for me. And I think I got this ponytail holder from like Walgreens. Yeah, I think it was Walgreens, and it's bomb. It's super bomb because it like, you could have like the most hair in a row and this ponytail holder will work for you. That's why I love it, because most of the time my ponytail holders just pop in half. But yeah, this was tiring. So now I'm just going to make sure my ponytail is nice, tight, and secure and everything looks like it's in place. And I'm going to go ahead and create a big braid with my ponytail. But first I'm going to use this Eco Styler gel and just apply this gel all throughout my ponytail for a few reasons. There's a reason why I have to put the gel on my hair first. So first reason is because when your hair is wet or moisturized, it's obviously minimized. Like, it's not going to be as thick if it's wet, you know, with gel. That's one reason, so I don't have like a big old braid going on, because that actually determines the size of your ponytail when you finish. And another reason is because when you take the paper, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds, and wrap it around your braid, it sticks better when you put the gel on, which means it kind of molds in place better. But you'll see what paper I'm talking about in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair up. So now I'm just taking the end of my braid and literally folding it up. I'm using this rubber band to just hold it in place so it's nice and secure. And you know, I just folded the end of the braid up so it's not so long, and it looked a little funny, but it works. So I'm taking this Rapid Styling Strips paper, and I know you guys know what this paper is. It's used for many different hairstyles. It's super stretchy and it's very convenient and it's super cheap. But all I'm doing is wrapping this paper all around my braid. I'm just gonna work my way up and wrap it around the braid. And like I said, because I put the gel on my hair, this is gonna like basically stick to your braid and eventually harden. It's not gonna get super hard, but like it's gonna be hard. And just wrap that all around my hair and just keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. And as I'm going up, I'm kind of pulling it nice and tight, so it kind of tightens the braid a little bit more and makes it a little skinnier so it's not so thick. And I'm just going to keep doing that over and over again. So now I'm just taking a little bit of the Eco Styler gel and just applying that to the end of this wrap. That way it sticks and holds, and this is what it should look like. It looks a little funny. But now I'm just going to go ahead and take this hair glue and apply it all to the braid. Now this part can get a little messy, you guys. I know some people prefer to actually apply the glue to the weft of the track, but I find it quicker, easier to do it this way. But just be careful from getting it on your clothes and in your hair. And the hair that I'm using today is the same hair that I was wearing for a while. It's the hair from Julia's Hair. Make sure to use the discount code, you guys, if you're going to go ahead and purchase this hair. I do have it for you, and I have it somewhere on the screen right now. And this hair is so bomb. It's been a month and it's still holding up. So I really do love this hair, you guys. I really do. I wouldn't like lie to you guys. If I thought this hair was trash, it wouldn't be in my head. Trust me. So I'm just going to go ahead and, as you can see, I'm just wrapping the hair around the braid. It's so simple, you guys. It's super easy. Just keep applying the glue as you go and keep wrapping the track around the braid. Now I'm just taking a few bobby pins and just place them throughout my head. I've had ponytails before where the hair is so heavy the bobby pins start to poke you in the head, and that is the most painful stuff ever. It hurts like hell, and I did not want that, so I only used like 3 or 4 bobby pins maybe. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and brush all those tangles out, and it's not that many. This hair is so soft. Mind you, I washed it. I washed this hair and it still ended up being soft. A lot of hair, once you wash it, is dry and brittle, but nope, this hair was still soft. So now I'm going in with the Silk Remedy hair serum, and it's basically just a hair serum for when you want to straighten your hair. It's very lightweight and it's not oily whatsoever. And this is the generic version of the Chi Silk Remedy. The Chi Silk Remedy is like the best one, but I think it's the same exact thing. You just pay more for the name, basically. It's the same ingredients. So I'm just applying it all throughout my hair just so I could get ready to straighten this bad boy. And I'm just using the same exact flat irons that I always use, and go ahead and straighten it. I'm taking small sections because I want this to be super sleek. I want this hair to be straight, okay? I mean flowing in the wind straight, like bone straight, okay? Now I'm just going to take a small section of the hair, and I'm going to use this as a band to wrap around my ponytail. So to get it to be super sleek, I spray a little bit of spritz on it, comb it out, and wrap it around, and just keep repeating these steps. I want it to be very uniform, very put together, very sleek, and just sexy, a sexy ponytail. So I'm just going to keep repeating those steps until the hair band part is like perfection. It just makes the ponytail come all together, you guys. Like, can you see what's going on here? And I'm making this nice and tight and secure as I wrap it. So make sure you keep that in mind to keep kind of pulling it a little more to make it nice and snug as you're wrapping. So I'm just going to place this bobby pin in to secure it and brush it out, and basically we're done. I just got to go throw my makeup on real quick, get it popping. And mind you, I done had this hair for a month now, and the hair is still holding up. It's still very soft, silky, and shiny, and I'm excited, okay? But thank you so much for watching, you guys, and make sure you stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah.